Moo, the cow in the field, eating grass, what a big meal. Milk for us, creamy and white. Thank you, cow, for your delight. Oink, oink, the pig rolls around in the mud, on the ground. Pink and plump with a curly tail. Happy pig, you never fail. Cluck, cluck, a chicken lays an egg every morning without bed. Feathers fluffy, yellow and bright. Thank you, hen, for your delight. Ba, ba, the sheep are so sweet, with woolly coats so soft and neat. In the meadow they love to play. Thank you, sheep, for wool each day. Neigh, neigh, the horse runs fast, galloping by so unsurpassed. Strong and bold with the mane so fine. Thank you, horse, for your time. Quack, quack, the duck in the pond, swimming around so very fond. Feathers shining wet and sleek. Thank you, duck.